Hey bro, you hungry? I'm trying to eat. Don't need to ask me twice, bro. Let's go. I'm so hungry I could eat anything right now. In-N-Out sounds pretty good. They're always reliable, but kind of feeling Chick-fil-A. It's been a minute since I've had that. Nah, bro, those places are overrated. Let's go to that new Mexican place on the street. Whatever, bro. I'm starving. Let's just go. Dang, dude, it all looks so good. Oh, I might as well just get whatever I want and I'll just worry about eating clean tomorrow.
Did that sound familiar? Hey guys, Joey here, and whether you do or do not want to lose weight, there are a few techniques to help you make better decisions when it comes to eating the food that you're already eating to help you automatically lose weight or just prevent more fat from packing onto your body. And the first thing we're gonna go over is aiming for fuel, not for flavor. I don't know if you caught that earlier, but the whole I'll just worry about eating clean later was the biggest lie that he had told himself that day. That was just a logical justification for the emotional decision that he was just about to make. Why is this important to know? Next time you find yourself in a situation where you start to think, oh, well, if I'm gonna cheat, I might as well just cheat 110% and I'll get back to it later. Remember this, think of food as fuel instead of flavor. You see, almost every single person that I know ever only eats for flavor and not for fuel. They'll base the type of food they eat. Matter of fact, they'll base the specific restaurant, and they'll even talk to the waiter or the waitress and tell them exactly specifically what they do and do not want on their plate for a specific flavor. And this is also the reason so many people have excessive cheat days or fall off from their dieting or just can't lose weight at all. This is the exact reason why. Everyone knows not to go grocery shopping when you're hungry, right? Because then you'll just be looking at everything and wanting to buy every single thing that you come across in the store. Why do you constantly make the decision of where to eat or what to eat when you're hungry? Obviously, you're always going to make the emotional decision based off of your taste buds and what you feel like eating in that moment because you're hungry and everything tastes good. And it's just gonna prevent you from losing weight at all. What if you stopped focusing on the flavor that food gave you and started focusing on what the fuel that these foods could give you?
Hey, what's up, bro? Hey, bro, we're going to the beach right now. We're gonna grab some food on the way. You gonna join? Yeah, dude, I'm in. Shoot, I really shouldn't eat out. I'm only a week into my new meal plan. Alright, later. Whatever, I'll just get something to eat with them and continue this meal plan tonight.
So no matter where he goes next time, he knows that he needs to focus on fuel instead of flavor, so he'll always go for the foods that are healthiest and are gonna give him the best, cleanest fuel, rather than just deciding on what tastes good. Meal prepping so you can save yourself 5,000 calories. You're invited out spontaneously and a part of you just doesn't know what to do. You're saying, oh no, please don't do this to me again. And then the other half of you just says, screw it, we'll just let our future self take care of that problem. We won't worry about it right now. I would rather just brush it right under the rug until it becomes a real problem. Sadly, this is how so many people make their decisions and live their lives. Matter of fact, this is the type of thinking that causes people to need to lose weight in the first place. Well, today you're gonna change that, right? All you need to do to avoid these situations is to be prepared. Instead of constantly being worried about what your next meal is gonna be, what the next thing you're gonna eat is, especially if you're always tempted by the foods around you, be prepared and meal prep your meals. You know what you can and should eat. You have the foods already. You might as well just cook up all that food for the next 3 to 4 days so that way you're always prepared and then it doesn't matter what happens, you'll always have something to go. Healthy foods are gross, right?
Alright, bro, where we going to eat? I'm thinking KFC or Taco Bell. Well, I'm trying to watch what I eat, bro, and both those places are pretty trash. Well, they do have some good foods at both places, bro. Right, you want me to eat healthy at Taco Bell. Alright, KFC it is. Alright, I'll just get some fried chicken then. It's not the best, but at least it's better than Taco Bell. You don't want to get the grilled chicken with maybe some veggies or something? Nah, bro, I told you, I might as well go hard if I'm gonna eat out. Come on.
Too many people automatically assume that the healthier foods are gonna be way more gross than what they normally get. Instead of automatically assuming that the healthy foods on any menu is just garbage, you have to remember that they're on the menu for a reason. I've found that foods at restaurants or on the menu anywhere that are a lot healthier typically taste just as good in their own way, and you don't have to worry about that greasy, unstuffed feeling afterward. So instead of just accepting your fate, if you do go out or you think you don't have control over a situation, you have more control over what you eat than you believe. You need to understand that you have control over what goes into your body, so it doesn't matter what situation you're in, you can always figure out a way to avoid the worst scenario possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please go ahead, drop a like on the video, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I highly recommend you watch one of these videos next. I've watched both of them, and I would say that they're both an A+, so it would definitely be worth an investment of your time. With that being said, have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will see you next video.